Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will tell you how can we have a navigation bar in our Django templates. But before going into this presentation, let me tell you that this full course on Django for beginners is available on Udemy. You can go and register to that course if you want to have a detailed understanding of the Django framework. So let's go into our code. As I told you in my previous lectures, we have these few templates in our application. That is the index template, list students, and the student template. And we can access it by giving the URL over here. For instance, this is the list user list student template. This is the main template. Let me adjust the camera. This is the main template, and for adding the student we have the student template. Now what I want to do that I want to have a navigation bar at the top, and when the user clicks on a particular menu item or navigation bar item, that template is opened. So let's go to the code. Now as I told you, since I'm using the bootstrap in which is included in my base.html file, since the navbar will be used by all the templates, so I will write it inside my base template over here. Now let me make some space over here, and I will go to the bootstrap, getbootstrap.com, go to the docs, and just copy the navigation bar code from the website. So here is the nav bar. Let me copy a very simple code. Let me select this seems to be the most simple. Let me copy it and paste it over here. Let me delete some items that are not needed. For example, I don't need this one. Let me check. Now this is the navigation bar. I'll just customize it for my needs. I will just make some changes over here. So for instance, the home is okay. I will just make the reference as a slash. Now for the features, I will say, for example, aid student, and the URL that time is opening is slash student, and over here I will say list students, and the URL is list students. Now let me check. If I refresh it, now I have this. When I click on the home, it will go to the home page. When I click on the aid student, it will go to the aid student. Now there is no navigation bar. The reason is that I have not added the base.html. This is the list student. So over here you can go through all these pages. Now let me, since I cannot see the navigation bar over here, I have to include the base.html in my students template. So I will go to the student template over here, and here I will say extends base.html, and for having the block over here, I will say block content. I will write the block content over here, and over here I will say end block. That's it. Let me refresh it. Now here's, you see, you will also notice that there is a different look and feel for the page. So I have the home, I have the head student, I have the list students. I can also delete this nav bar from the very right corner. Now let me delete this one. It is here. It's the button. No, it is this one. Navbar brand. So this is how can we have a navigation bar in our Django app. Here you see you can use any navigation bar you like. For example, I use this one and customize it. You can use any other options. For example, you can include a search option in your app. You can have this one. So any option you want, you can use in your app. So this is how we add navigation bar to our Django template. Please don't forget to click on the like button, because when you click on the like button, it means you are telling YouTube that this is a good video. The video is useful for me, and you can tell you are telling actually YouTube to show it to other people as well. Thank you very much.